In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. We'll walk through a simple flow to get you from the Squarespace website into your account dashboard, into your site, and then onto a page where you can add a code block and paste in your file upload for Squarespace Forms snippet. I'll also point out a few tips along the way to make the process smoother. Start by heading to Squarespace's Create Your Website page. This is the main starting point for building or managing a site. If you're already a customer, make sure you're signed in so you can quickly reach your account tools. If you're new, you can still follow along from this page. The important part is that you can reach your account area from here. Next, click on Account Dashboard. You'll usually find it at the top of the page or inside your profile menu. The account dashboard is your hub. Think of it as mission control, where all your sites and key settings live in one place. Inside the dashboard, choose Website. This option opens the area where your websites are listed and managed. If you have multiple sites, you'll see them here. Pick the one you want to work on so you can jump into its settings and content. From there, open your website, go to Pages, select the page you want to modify, and enter Edit mode. If you're experimenting, it's a good idea to work on a test page or a draft so you can refine everything before it goes live. Once you're in the editor, click into the section where you want the form to appear. Now add your block. Choose Add Block, search for Code, and insert a code block. This is where you'll paste the file upload for Squarespace Forms code. Make sure you're using a trusted, clean snippet. Many upload enhancements use a mix of HTML and a small amount of JavaScript. That's normal, but avoid pasting anything you don't understand or that comes from an unverified source. If the editor shows a blank area or a placeholder, don't worry. Custom code sometimes only renders fully after you save and view the live page. When the code is in place, apply your changes, then exit edit mode to update the page. If the upload interface doesn't show immediately in the editor, check it on the live preview. Test with a small, common file type to confirm things look and behave as expected, and review on mobile to ensure it's easy to use on smaller screens. If something looks off, return to the page editor, reopen the code block, and confirm the snippet was pasted exactly as provided. That's the full flow, from Squarespace's start page, to your account dashboard, to website, into your page, and finally adding your file upload code via a code block. Thanks for watching and happy building.